Thanks for joining me, because today I just got something in the mail. It says Bed Gear on it. What the heck is Bed Gear? Bed Gear is a company that makes bedding products. Bed Gear. They make pillows, they make mattresses, and all sorts of things. They've got a great website, but today we're talking about the unboxing. I have my trusty carpet knife here, and I want you to see I move it to the smallest level because I don't want to cut through anything but the packing tape on the box here because I don't want to cut into the product. So what do we have inside? Give me a second. Let's go ahead and open it up. And we close our knife. And inside of our box, I have another box. Put that box to the side. And here's what we have inside of our box. This is the Bed Gear size 2.0 Night Ice Performance Pillow. Now, why is it size 2.0? Because they actually have different size pillows to meet your particular needs. You don't just buy any old pillow, because if you buy the wrong type of pillow, you're going to get neck problems or you're not going to sleep well. So they have guides to help you pick the right size pillow for you. And this particular one, Night Ice Performance Pillow, is designed as it says, 3 times the cooling. Well, I asked them to send me this particular pillow, and I don't get paid anything for this. This is just me testing this out for you. And what happened is I asked for this one because I tend to sleep hot. And I figured I've never tried a cooling pillow before. Let's see what it's like. And if we're going to try one, let's try one of the best on the market. So let's go ahead and open this up and take the pillow out because this is an unboxing video. We got to unbox something, right? Okay. Inside the box, I'll put down here, we have the pillow. Surprise. Okay. It's wrapped in a nice plastic wrap, sealed all the way. I'm going to break the seal open here. We take the pillow out. Kind of like the color, actually. And one of the things you're going to notice is there are these vents in the pillow here. And these vents allow air to go in and out as we squish the pillow one way or the other. Same thing up here, up here, up here. I'll tell you, the pillow has a pretty hefty weight to it. It's, I don't know how heavy it is, but it's definitely not a light, fluffy pillow, that's for sure. But immediately, just by holding it, I can feel the cool comfort of this pillow. It's definitely cooler because of, well, let's see, maybe the material they use. I'm not sure. We're going to find out as we review it. But I'm going to take this pillow. I'm going to use it for a week or so. And then I'm going to come back and give you a review and let you know exactly what I think about this particular pillow. So thanks for joining me on this unboxing. We'll unbox some other things later, but the best part is the review. So come on back. Sleep Science Today. I'm your host, Andrew Kolsky. We're going to look at these products and compare them to others out there, and let's see how this one measures up. I think it'll be good. I'll tell you.